to worry about sleeping on the streets. She has a safe space. We will make sure she does not have to worry. Yes.
You don't want her stay here.
No. Tell her from now on she stays inside, indoors. She does not have to worry about nothing. Yeah, tell her. Yes.
គាត់ថាចេះគាត់ថាគាត់ចង់ឲ្យអាស្រ័យឯងគេនៅតាមផ្លូវសាធារណៈទេអញ្ចឹងអាស្រ័យឯងគាត់ជួលផ្ទះឲ្យនៅ6ខែទាំងការជួលផ្ទះទាំងការហូបចុកឲ្យស្នាក់នៅខាងក្នុងផ្ទះខែរក្សាកូនក្នុងពោះនឹងខ្លួនឯងកូនទាំងក្រៃអញ្ចឹងឯងខ្វះខាតអីចាំគាត់សុំលេខទូរស័ព្ទគាត់ទៅចាំពេលប្រាប់គាត់ទៅណា You have Cambodia number phone?
Yes, I do. Yes.
You can give her.
You have phone?
I mean that you can give her. You can call you.
Yes. So I am in this hotel here, so I can come straight down in the morning.
Yeah.
Yes, I will wait. I only two rooms down, so I will come and see her in 9 a.m. Oh, sorry, 7 a.m.
Okay.
7 a.m. I come down here, tell her I promise I'll be back down 7 a.m. in the morning in 3 hours.
Now it's a 4 3 o'clock 3 hours more.
3 hours more. I come here and then we go to the accommodation. Yes.
Okay.
Do you want to meet us as well and take us? Can you come? Can you be our driver? At 7 a.m. Or will you be asleep?
Yeah. ចឹងចេះគាត់ថាម៉ោង7ព្រឹកហ្នឹងគាត់ម៉ោង7ព្រឹកហ្នឹងគាត់ដើរមកហ្នឹងគាត់ដើរមកតែណាតែគាត់ដើរមកតែណាម៉ោង7ណាឥឡូវអាស្រីឯងនៅនឹងសិនទៅណាម៉ោង7 3ម៉ោងទៀតទេគាត់ដើរមកពីអូតែគាត់នៅនឹងគាត់សន្យាហើយអាស្រីឯងហើយកង់3ទីចិត្តហ្នឹងឲ្យជូនដឹកទៅកន្លែងផ្ទះជួលអាស្រីឯងចង់ជួលទៅហើយប្រាប់គាត់ទៅដូចមិនចឹងណាហើយដូចពូប្រាប់ចឹងថាសុំលេខទូរស័ព្ទគាត់មួយទៅ